Hey guys, so I'm back with another video, and today's video is going to be a wig video. Oh my gosh, so exciting. So this wig was sent from me from the company Paff. Thank you so much for sending this to me. It's absolutely gorgeous. Whether they send it to me or not, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys, as always. So let's get into it. So here's the wig, and it's so pretty. Like, I love this color. It's like a burgundy red wine shade. Every time I wear this, I feel like from like a superhero movie, you know what I mean, like X-Men or something. So you could get this off Amazon. I will leave all the links to where you could purchase this specific wig and their information down below, Instagram, everything, you know. So check it out. So I'm going to show you guys how to apply this wig. Yeah, and wish me luck because I'm not that good. So yeah, but I just want to show you the inside of the wig first. So I did cut the lace a little bit. I'm going to cut it some more later on. You don't want to cut too much because you want to have enough to glue it down. So anyways, so here's the inside of the wig. This is the lace right here. You get about, to me it looks like 2 inches from the hairline, and then you get all this extra. And then you get 2 combs on the side, and then you get one a little bit behind the lace. I could never apply that properly, so there is unfortunately no comb where the nape would go, which I kind of wish there was, just so that I have something to grip onto if I was to try to do an updo. I mean, this is probably not good for updos, but you know, extra security or something. You do have 2 adjustable straps. Well, my hand's a little bit large, so this actually kind of fits me like a glove. But for the purpose of the video, I'm going to try to glue it down for you guys. Definitely the sides. So this is a synthetic wig, meaning it is basically plastic. However, it is heat resistant, so you can apply a little bit of heat on it to style it if you want. Don't go too crazy, you don't want to burn it. I have ordered from this company before. I have a video on it, and I will put the link down below. But it looks like they include wig caps and eyelashes. Honestly, don't know where I put the lashes already. My room's kind of a mess. That's the 50mm. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to try to wear this wig cap. I don't normally wear wig caps because it tends to give me a headache sometimes, and it's just too much of a hassle. And I usually like to blend in my natural hairline in with it, but since it's burgundy, wine red, whatever, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna put this on my head. I'm about to look real cute. So let's just take this clip out. As my hair gets longer, I don't really know how to do this stuff. Because before, when I wore wigs, I was literally buzz cut. No hair. Alright. This is kind of like one of those wig caps with like a hole in it. It's not like the other one, flesh color wigs caps. Oh my gosh. It's so tight. Okay. Cute. So I can't even really see what I'm doing. Great. I'm just gonna tuck my hair in the sock. I'm just trying to tuck in that baby in there. Perfect. You could do it 2 options. You could either cut the lace off like this, like off your head and do it, or you could put it on and go from there. I do either way. Just don't cut yourself. So I'm just gonna pop this on to get a feel for it. If you have like one of those nail scissors, use that. I don't know where I put mine. What I like to do is get this part of the hair wet, so I just take a spray bottle this way. Little strands don't fall when you're cutting. So what I'm gonna do, just because I can't like hold and be in frame and do all that stuff, I am going to just walk to my mirror, cut it there, but just like leave like a little centimeter of lace. Don't cut it all off. So I ended up cutting a little bit more than a centimeter. So at this point, what you want to do is, if you have a lot of lace showing, you can either go on with foundation or concealer. If you want to glue it down, then usually people would use Got To Be. So what I'm going to do is actually take off my wig just a little bit. Ooh, that looks weird. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of that Got To Be, and I'm just gonna pop it around the perimeters of my hairline. I'll let that dry a little bit and let it get tacky, and then we're gonna pull the hair back. And just take the end of a makeup brush, and I'm just gonna press that down. You don't want to use your finger because the oils on your finger might like make the glue white and stuff. So just hold that down in place. to keep it in its place. Normally I would just press this down with a bandana or something. This is just a headband, just so that it'll stick on. So it's not perfect, but she's pretty much glued on there. So at this point I'm going to go in with a little bit of MAC's Pressed Powder Foundation, and I'm just going to go on to my hairline where the lace is showing a little bit and just pop some of that on there. You could even do this before you even put the glue. I would probably recommend like an actual liquid foundation. But yeah, looks like it was already pre-plucked just a tiny bit. I'm afraid to even go in and touch it up. That's just me, but if you're brave, go ahead and do that. This is not really a big part, but normally you would want to put some powder here, but it's not really doing much for me. So that's pretty much it, and this is pretty much the look I got with this wig. I'm sure you could do like that little Ariana Grande stuff. Just like any synthetic wig, these do tend to tangle very easily. You just got to take extra care of it, and yeah. But that's it for that video, guys. If you guys like that video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, bye.
Come on. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. When I saw your face, I could feel my heart finishing a race so this love could start. Now you're in my arms, I'm not letting you go.